press conference would be like, first there will be the address of the festival director who will brief about the festival and its various aspects, followed by the address of CEO ESG who will enumerate the administration and logistics part. DG PIB, Ms. Mukherjee, would enumerate about the media coverage aspects, and finally the address of Vice Chairperson ESG. And after her address, we will take few questions. I would also like to inform you all that this press conference is being telecast live on YouTube channels of PIB India, DD News and DD National. Over to you, Shri Prithvi.
So very good afternoon to all of you from Goa. And I would like to tell you that this 54th edition is very close to start. We will just begin with something reflecting back on something which happened in 1952 when we had the first edition of Iffi. So, can I have the slide please? Yeah. So it was the reflection from Mr. Satyajit Ray, our eminent filmmaker who was internationally popular. He said that if the quality of films were the sole criterion, surely one of the best film festivals ever held anywhere was the first International Film Festival of India. And few festivals before or since have produced such a outstanding feast of films. So that is the tradition which we are carrying forward in this 54th edition also. And the core of organizing this film festival has always been the selection of films. Can I have the next slide please? So this, of course, we have already talked about it. We will talk to you about the kind of selections which we have done for the films. Let's begin with first how it all began. This 54th Iffi, we launched the poster at Cannes, and Honorable Minister of State was Shri L. Murugan was there. He launched the poster, and then we also launched a promo for International Film Festival in front of the international audience, and it was very, very appreciated to the extent that Shri Michael Douglas, who is the internationally acclaimed actor and director, he was the one who came to the India Pavilion for this purpose, and of course all the celebrities there, they endorsed it. In this, I would also like to tell you that this peacock design this year has been done in collaboration with the National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. So it's a very, very vivacious design which has been done, encompassing not just various colors but also showcasing, if you look into the details of the feathers, it also showcases various films, various Indian scripts, various Indian textiles. So all of these things are highlighted in this. There is a design concept note which is available on the website if you want to dwell with it. So that is how it all began. And next. So as I was talking about, the core of the film festival, which is in essence internationally, is the selection of films which we do for the film festival. We are happy to say again that this time we received more than 3 times of the entries for the film festival, and the kind of curations we have done in the international section which we have, in which we showcase the international films. There has been 1.5 times rise from the last year. Last year I think we had below 70 films. This year we have more than 100 films of in international cinema. Apart from that, the festival kaleidoscope, which are the best films of all the year round which have played at festivals. Like from Cannes, we have more than 5 films which won at Cannes. We have about 5 films from TIFF, Toronto International Film Festival, the Busan International Film Festival, the San Sebastian, Sundance. So all the important festivals across the world, their films have been taken into this festival kaleidoscope, which is one of the most watched sections in the Iffi also. And let me also take this opportunity to tell you that our Iffi is one of the 14 biggest film festivals internationally, of which one of them is Cannes, Berlinale, and all such festivals are there as part of this thing. So our festival, this international festival, is only one in South Asia to be recognized by FIAF out of these 14 festivals, and only 4 in the whole of Asia. Next, please. So this is the international jury. We have already made the announcements. Shekhar Kapoor is the head, and we have very, very eminent jury members from all across the world. Next. So opening film and the mid-fest film and the closing film, the announcement was already made on the 12th when we did the press conference. But let me tell you, this mid-fest film one should look forward to seeing it because it was also a winner of Best Actress award in Cannes, and I hope that the cast is also coming along with the director and the producer. We are trying for that, and this will be the India premiere for the film. The rest of the both films will be the Asia premieres. And in total, out of the 198 international films which we are showcasing, we have about 13 world premieres, 18 international premieres, 62 Asia premieres, and 89 India premieres. So there's this difference between the world premieres is that the world premieres is the first time anywhere in this world these films are being showcased. So there are 13 of the films which will be first time shown in this film festival. International films means international premieres which are 18. That means only in that country it has been showcased. Anywhere outside that country, it will be the first time they are being showcased in Iffi. So that is the lineup which is a remarkable improvement. Next. So this we have briefly already talked about.